Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you remember the classic 500 model? Have you ever ride that model? Then you should know the raw power and the performance of this bike. The model is discontinued from the market for some reasons, but now the Royal Enfield is coming with the 650cc version of the classic model. So what is the actual news and what is going to offer Royal Enfield to us? So let's talk about in this video. Royal Enfield is no stranger to making legendary motorcycle. They have been around for over a century and have built a legacy that's all about timeless design, rugged performance and that retro charm. But in 2024, they are looking for a whole new level of Classic 650 that is going to launch in Indian market. So what's the Classic 650 all about? Think of it as perfect combination of old school style with modern performance. You have got the classic vintage Royal Enfield design that we all love. Round headlamps, chrome detailing and a teardrop fuel tank. But under all that, you are getting a powerful, smooth 648cc engine. The classic 650 will pack the same 648cc parallel twin engine that you will find in the Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650. Now, you have been even ridden either of these bikes, but you already know the engine is a dream for everyone. Smooth power delivery, no vibration at higher speeds and plenty of torque for city riding and long distance riding. We can expect around 47 horsepower and 52 Nm of torque. It's all about the smooth and comfortable ride. That sweet spot between power and control that we all need. And with a 6-speed gearbox, you have got plenty of range to cruise comfortably at highway speeds. Alright, now let's talk about the thing that makes Royal Enfield bikes so iconic, the design. The classic 650 is staying true to its root with that signature vintage look. You have got smoked wheels, round headlamps and of course that elegant chrome work that makes it look like it just rolled over the 50s. Royal Enfield is going to pack this bike with modern touches where it counts really well. We can expect a semi-digital instrument cluster, so you will still get that nostalgia analog speedometer but with a few modern twists like a trip meter, fuel gauge and possibly round Royal Enfield's tripper navigation system. Now I know a lot of you watching are into long distance ride, so let's talk about comfort. The classic 650 is designed to be a comfortable cruiser with an upright riding position, wide handlebars and a generously padded seat. That means whether you are in the city or hitting the open roads, this bike has got your back. The suspension setup is also expected to be a bit more refined than what we have seen on the older classic models. Basically in the classic 500 model, it will be revised telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorber with adjustability at the rear. What I love most about Royal Enfields and especially this new classic 650 is the versatility. In the city, the 650's engine is going to feel super agile. It's got a smooth throttle response. Alright, let's talk about tech. As I mentioned earlier, the classic 650 is expected to come with a semi-digital instrument cluster, but there's more. We are also looking at the possibility of dual channel ABS, which means better braking performance and safety, especially when you are pushing this bike a little bit harder. Disc brake at both ends you can find that will give you all the stopping power you need. Now here's the big question everyone been asking. How much is this going to cost? Well, Royal Enfield has not given officially pricing yet, but judging by their previous 650 models, we can expect the classic 650 to competitively priced in the market. It will likely to sit somewhere in between mid-range, that will making it accessible for a broader audience. As for availability, we can expect the launch date of early 2025. So this is a predictive expectation of the experts. So this is the video for now. What is your opinion on this model? Please mention that on the comment box below. Until next time, be safe, ride safe.